Okay, so this was our Discord server, the Center for Emergency Calls and Alerts, in action today. So this is the thread here, which is accessible, and you can manually go into it and see all the history of the emergency alerts and everything. The history doesn't get deleted, so you can see history from way back. So, which can be useful to have for data or research or whatever. And yeah, but it doesn't just appear here. If you're joined to the server, then you can not only get alerts, appear on here, but you can get alerts appear, from even when you close Discord. So I'm going to show you that right now. So if you're doing something like normal, right, like playing Roblox, then this is available for both cell phones and computers. It's available for Android, iOS, iPad, and Windows 10 and Mac. So you can So the alert that I received on the computer will appear shortly over here. And what's kind of good about it is it appears like right where the notifications are. So it's like on the iPhone where it appears in the notification center on, the wireless emergency alert system. It'll appear in the regular notification center of the Windows notification center on the device. Just playing some Roblox. I think this ought to wrap it up. And that's it right there. So as you can see, it'll just say warning emergency alert on the computer. High wind warning issued December 23rd at 2:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until December 25th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time by National Weather Service, New York, New York. So not only does it show the alert itself, and not only does it show the location, because notice how it says Long Island Emergency Alert Thread. We're creating, channels for all types of regions, counties, cities, states, even entire nations, in the event of a national emergency. So we keep adding them as more broadcasters, emergency broadcasters from all over the world join the server. And as you can see, it'll just say emergency alert, high wind warning issued December. So it's real people that relay the message, and you can see what area that it's for. Unlike the emergency alert, wireless emergency alert system, you can actually see where it's for just by looking at what thread that it was posted in. Long Island Emergency Alert thread. And not only all of that, on top of all that, it shows the user that posted it. So, you have that information. That's considered public information because this is a public server. And we encourage you to join it. it can be a very useful lifesaver. Um, it can be used to help to save other people's lives by warning them for an emergency. Uh, it can get detailed messages, and yeah, that's what it looks like right there. So we encourage you to come join the server and help it grow. Thank you for watching.